YouTube family, it's your girl Abriel and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a video. Y'all, it is late. Okay, it is a Tuesday night and it's late and I'm tired and I gotta work in the morning. But I decided to do my hair. I just finished taking out my little box braids and I washed my hair. I actually had to dye it first, so that's why it's super late, because I had to take the braids out and then I had to dye it, and so now I have washed it and things like that. So I came on here to tell you guys that I have this blow dryer here. Can you guys see that? Okay, and I procrastinated on this blow dryer for about like 4 months, y'all. Like, I went to Sally's to buy this blow dryer and I changed my mind, and then I had put it in my cart on Amazon, and then I took it out my cart, and then I put it back in my cart, then I took it out my cart. So today I was just like, you know what, I'm just gonna get it and stop playing, because I did my research. I looked at a bunch of reviews on YouTube about this blow dryer, and all the reviews said this blow dryer is amazing. So I was like, let me just give it a try. Like, I have a blow dryer, but it's not like this, of course. So I was like, let me try this blow dryer. It's supposed to make it easier on me, and I'm just hoping I get better results than my other blow dryer, because, you know, that one's different. It's a regular blow dryer or whatever. So I have to like use the this to chase it, the blow dryer down or whatever. Anyways, yeah, so with this I don't have to do that. It's just an all-into-one blow dryer. So it says 1-step blow dryer. This video is not sponsored, but I want to give my own review on this blow dryer. So that's why I am making a video of me trying this blow dryer for the first time. My hair is dripping wet. So I had detangled this side, and so I'm gonna do this side first because I already detangled this side, and I just want to show you guys what this blow dryer does. So let me open it. Yeah, when I say it's late, what time is it? I don't know. I'm my phone in here. Or do I? No, I don't. But I am tired. But yo, I can't go to work looking like this, so girl gotta do her hair. So yeah, that's what it looks like. It's actually light. I'm thinking it's gonna be one heavy little blow dryer, because you know, like, it may look like, I guess it just looks heavy. So I was like, maybe it's heavy, but it's not. It's actually pretty light. And it has the 3 settings. It has the cool, low, high, and then off, of course. But I think I'm probably gonna start off with high, because I don't know. And see, when people do, I guess I never really pay attention to people on their videos, but they never really say what setting they put it on. You know, when they try stuff, it's always, you gotta like figure it out for yourself or whatever. So I'm gonna figure it out on my own, which setting works best for me. I have sprayed some heat protectant on my hair already, so we're gonna give this a go. Turn you guys this way, because I am facing the mirror here. I think I'm starting on low. I'm scared. was hot. Wait, hold on. Wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, yeah, Mr. Postman. Y'all see that? And that's not bad, not bad. I was thinking I needed to trim, but I don't know. I might not do that today. But, y'all, that's not bad. Let me feel the inside. Make sure the inside is not wet still. Still a little damp, so let me keep it going. Wait. The first setting was cool, y'all. Okay. I think that's good. Okay, let me do a little bit more. Okay, I'm start off on the lower here. So let me give y'all a little something. Okay, so from what I noticed already, the heat is coming from up here. So I know when I do it, I have to do it like this because the heat is generating from here mostly. So I realized that so far. Let's keep going. This blow dryer is actually real nice, guys. Okay. I know my ends are still like full of shit, but anyways. Okay guys, so this is one side that I just did for you guys on camera. I don't know if I should turn it this way so you guys can see it better. Okay, so this is one side. And I'm gonna do the other side off camera because I'm sweating. But yeah, this is the before. Okay guys, I am done. Hold on, I'm turning this thing off. I am done with both sides, and y'all, I give this blow dryer, when I say I give this blow dryer a 10 out of 10, I give it a 10 out of 10. Man, it took like no time, and it got me together. Like, I could never comb my hair with this little bitty comb, like, ever. But yeah, my ends are like trash, so I need to do a big trim. It's not even a little trim that I need to do. I need to do a big trim. But y'all, yes, I give this blow dryer a 10 out of 10. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna flat iron and then trim what I can. Ooh, it's hot. But yeah, I need to go to bed. I really do need to go to bed. So I don't know if I'm thinking about just like this at work tomorrow. You think it's cute? Is this cute? Is this cute? No, it's not cute. Yeah, so I'm gonna flat iron my hair. I'm gonna be up until probably, I don't even know what time it is, but I don't think that clock works. I'm gonna be up until probably tomorrow, if it ain't already tomorrow. But I'm gonna flat iron my hair, y'all. That blow dryer, that blow dryer is amazing. And not only that, my hair doesn't feel fried, it feels soft. And so yeah, I'm just gonna flat iron it. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys was this blow dryer. So if you guys are looking for a great blow dryer, this is one. But I will tell you guys, this part of the handle, like all this, when I put it on high, this gets really hot. Really hot. So if you like, you know, if you're gonna hold it like this, you're gonna need like a glove or something. Otherwise you want to hold it down here probably, which will probably hurt your hand. But this part get really hot, just to let you guys know. Like right now it's still hot, but it's not as hot as it was when I had it on. So yeah, but that's it for the video, guys. That blow dryer is amazing. I love it. I'm so glad I purchased that. I'm so happy. So yeah, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.